Hi, this is Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold, guaranteed, or I'll buy it. Thanks for taking a minute to listen in. In a moment, I'll share with you some valuable information about this property. 416 South Spring Street, unit number 807. This is pending, not active on the market, and we're going to show you how to take advantage of properties that are not listed, unlisted, off-market properties, pocket listings, and other properties that are not actively listed, of how you can get a better deal by eliminating the competition. This unit has tremendous character. This is a condo in a historic building in the El Dorado building. El Dorado, it was home to one of the most amazing actor, comedians, and entertainers in history, Charlie Chaplin. So this is the type of aura and this energy, this historic energy, and the character that is in these historic buildings in the historic core of downtown Los Angeles. Let's take a look and see what's going on with this. This is a beautiful loft located in the coveted El Dorado building, the historic core of the old bank district of downtown Los Angeles. On the 8th floor is this perfectly restored, preserved loft, originally the Hotel Stowell, designed by Fredrick Noonan. This bright south-facing unit opens onto a private balcony overlooking Spring Street with breathtaking cityscape views, large kitchen, stainless steel Bosch, ample above Petit Paris. This is beautiful, fine French dining, restaurant in the building, very elegant, upscale. Underground bar, El Dorado, really cool. Steps from downtown's finest restaurant. Spring Street Park is right next door. It's got a park view. It has a downtown street view, amazing view, and a balcony. Art galleries, all within walking distance, theaters, shops, Grand Central Market, Metro, library, the music center. So this is it, folks. This is the one. Other people are trying to buy it right now. And what you want to do is you want to beat out the other buyers to the best deals on the most amazing lofts. Take a look at this interior here. There's nothing better than that. Notice all the concrete accents. You got industrial and historic character, high ceilings, and amazing view. There's a park right down there. So you got the park view and the city view and the historic core. Look at that building. There's really no more ornate building as far as a condo goes in downtown Los Angeles. And park right next door. Just really amazing detail in this building. Look at the wood frame doors. Only genuine historic buildings have these genuine historic wood frame doors like that. And lots of natural light. Okay, so take a look. It's on the LA Loft blog, www.laloftblog.com. And, oops, I think I just lost it. But what's important to know about these properties is that you want to put, when it's pending, go ahead and put in an offer. Now, for old buildings like this, you need to know that in downtown especially, there can be lawsuits and litigation that you need to know about before you see it. You need to know all the pros and cons about these properties before going in to see them. Also, there's disasters that you want to prevent, like you often need to use a loft lender, like Joe's Home Loan will usually fail for this type of building, and also that litigation and other issues you need to know in the building. So, as I mentioned earlier, a property information packet is available on any loft, condo, or house, or private previews available upon request. Call 213-880-9910. I'm Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold, guaranteed, or I'll buy it. Thanks for joining us on this special House-a-thon event today, and we'll talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.